Right, I don't know if it's gonna.
Will we turn it up to
No, mate. Serious, yeah?
now, mate.
Oh,
Now,
can't
mate.
it?
Now, mate.
Okay, that's.
Now, mate.
Hopefully we're all in. Are you ready?
Are we ready?
His trail glows clear, like a track of fire, invisible and silent, the sport of a militant man. The smell of his mother's womb clings to his heels and sweats from his instep, plain as the blood-splashed writ of a wounded stag in the noses of the hounds. Again and again he has tricked us and escaped us. Again and again in every corner of every land we have sniffed him out. He cannot escape us for long. We have skimmed over seas wingless and bounded among high peaks, running him down. Again and again we have found him sleeping exhausted. We have collapsed around him exhausted. And again he has slipped away and always escaped us. Now he is here. Where is he? He has squeezed himself into some cranny like a bat. He is here. Somewhere the reek of his fear is thick in the air. Look! That's him. The matricide. Block the door. Close the trap. Don't let him get away. Once again he has found a refuge from the taste of our whips. This time clinging to the statue of goddess and begging for a justice kinder than these lashes that slice at his heart and then flay his spirit. There is no hope for Orestes. His mother's blood with the voice of earth convicts him from the earth. He can never compel it to go back into her body.
Now.
You